Guys, it's Fireworksclips Savage here, and today you will be seeing my fireworks. So far, there's probably going to be more to it. Let's just hop right into it. This selection box being opened. I've already used a skybolt and a ninja, So in here I have two artilleries. I have one more skybolt. I have a 7-shot ninja, another 7-shot ninja, a red and green dragon, colour bomb, 5-shot repeater, 10 thunder rocket screamers, whatever, 6-shot candle, pack of thunder rockets. And my brother gave me this. He has one of the Supreme Strike rockets. He has one with the row. He gave me one of the mini ones. So, just wait a second there. So that's all my fireworks so far. Hope you enjoy.